took your braids out.
You ready to look at it?
I like your hair. Austin. Austin, look at mommy. Yeah? All right, let's look.
1, 2.
Look how cute.
Guess he
Austin,
doesn't like it.
what's the matter? Hey, move your arm. What's wrong? We took your braids out. You like your hair? I like your hair.
He wanted to keep the cornrows on.
You want to see your hair again? Maybe you like it.
Maybe you like it. 1. 1.
Oh, don't make him see it.
Let's see it again. Let's see it again.
Don't make him see it. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. It's all better. You don't have to look in the mirror anymore. Okay?
Never again will we make you look in the mirror.
Love you. Night night. Boom. No.